Happy Monday, Antelope Valley. Hope everyone is well and had a nice weekend. It is September 29th, 2025. I'm Mark Troth, broker and co-owner of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Troth Realtors, right here in the Antelope Valley, bringing you this week's version of the Antelope Valley Real Estate Market Update, where week in and week out, we take a look at exactly what's going on in the local Antelope Valley real estate market. As I like to say every week, feel it's important that residents, property owners, potential buyers have a trusted local resource to go to see exactly what's going on with our local real estate market. Often our statistics get lumped in with greater Los Angeles County, Southern California, and our market is definitely unique unto itself. So where are we as we wrap up the third quarter of 2025 and head off into the first full week of fall and the last quarter? Well, we've kind of got a mixed bag as we head into that final quarter. Last week's reduction of the Federal Reserve rate didn't have much of an effect on our market. Of course, by the time the Fed announced their reduction of rates, pretty much the mortgage market had already baked into mortgage rates, and we'd seen a downward trickle for the last 3 or 4 weeks anyway. So here we go into the fourth quarter. Active listings up 2.1%. Third week in a row, we've seen a little bit of a small increase. Last week we were at 1,159. So once again, creeping up towards that 1,200 mark. Didn't crushed it yet this year, but I have a feeling we may see that over the next couple weeks. Our pending listings, those properties under contract in escrow, down 3.3%. Once again, active listings going up a little bit every week over the last few weeks. Pending listings dropping a little bit. Maybe thought we might see a little bit of a bump after that good news about the Fed rate, but down 3.3%. Last week we were at 424. This week we are at 410. So our week over week look at where things are from 922 to 928 versus the week prior. No change in the number of new listings that came on the market. Down or at 93. Like I said, no change from the week prior. Median list price a week ago, it was $499. For the just last week, it was $490, so down 1.8%. New into escrow, this is the number we were talking about just a little bit. 65, that down just a couple. 67, 68 is where we were the week prior to last week, down 3%. But like I said, that number has been trickling down over the last 3 to 4 weeks. Median number of days on the market, down 14 days from the week prior. We were at 54. Last week, the median number of days, those 65 properties that went into escrow were on the market was 40. Listings sold, 58. Nice little bump from 54 the week prior, so up 7.4%. And the median sales price up 4.5% to 465. So I still kind of think we're going to be seeing some decent momentum as we head into the fourth quarter. News is showing that or talking about that we could see further reduction in interest rates. Seems like there's potential for some downward movement. Right now we're in those upper fives, low sixes. I think we're going to need to get closer to that 5.5, 5.75% rate to really start to see some good activity. I think we're going to get there. It may not be through the fourth quarter, but definitely first part of 2026 is what my personal feeling with. But as always, if there's any more information, any more statistics you might need about our local real estate market, by all means, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself or any of our other fine trusted associates at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Troth Realtors, where we have been serving the Antelope Valley real estate market since 1957. All right, everybody, take care. Make it a great week, and we will chat with you next Monday, first Monday in October. All right, everybody. Bye-bye.